Alright, okay, so it looks like we have a manual here on top, USB charging cable, Allen wrench, and a spare O-ring, the remote, looks like the adapter, and here we have the main thing, which is the motorized dolly. So it appears to be the front here is the motorized wheel, and then these two are just free spinning. So this one's fixed to the body, but these two, they move around, so you can change your angle to anything you want. So we got a couple mounting screws here. I guess this adapter here you can put either way, so you can put the small one down and mount something large, or you can go the other way, the normal way, mount your camera right on top of here. So most likely you're gonna need something here like some kind of ball that you can move your camera around. So okay, so here on the back it looks like you have a little extension, and I'm guessing that's for, looks like maybe to accommodate a slider size, because these little things are rubber right here. So I guess you can move this around, or maybe if you're using a really heavy camera, you know, you can give yourself a little bit more wider spread so you can carry the weight a little better. Alright, so let's get to the controls here. Guess we'll start on this side. We got the USB here, and we have the on and off switch next to that. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 LEDs over here, and speed selection, and then direction. Alright, let's see if we can power this thing on, see what happens. And it's blinking away. Alright, it's not doing anything. For some reason I'm guessing the battery's dead. You can tell when I first turn it on, it's blinking on the last one, and then so we're gonna go ahead and plug it in and see what happens. Alright, so I've got a red light here indicating charge. My remote has a little tab here that you pull. I'm guessing that's for the battery. Let's check it out. Alright, so the battery is a CR2032. Yeah, they had a little protective film here. Not sure how long it'll last if you just leave it in like this, but let's see if our remote works. Okay, it works, great. Oh, it's ready to go. Okay, cool. Okay, so if I'm pushing the resume button here, the wheel starts spinning. Okay, let's go ahead and try to change the direction. So push the direction change, and it's going the other way. It's actually got a pretty smooth transition, seems like. So right now I think we're on 3. Okay, now we're at 1, 2, 3. I can definitely tell that it sped up and slowed down a bit here, but it's already moving slow, so there's not a huge change. It's definitely making some noise. It's not loud, but see if you guys can hear it. I'll get close to my microphone here. I guess we'll have to wait till this charges up a bit, and then we'll shoot some footage.